This isn't a pizza. Try this recipe for breakfast. Ready in less than 10 minutes. Let's start our recipe by slicing 3 loaves of bread. For this recipe, you can pick whatever type of bread you prefer. Put the bread aside. In a bowl, add 5 eggs, 4 tablespoons of milk, half a teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Mix well. Write in the comments below where you're watching us from so that I can personally thank you for always following our recipes. We're super curious. Now dip every slice of bread into the beaten egg. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and spread it across it. Then pour the remaining beaten eggs mixture. Now add every slice of bread in it, one by one, carefully. If you're still watching the video, you're loving our recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us greatly. After adjusting the slices, cover the pan with the lid and leave it to cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Then, using a spatula, turn the slices on the other side. As a filling, add some ham and grated cheese. This recipe is so tasty and a great substitute for pizza. I'm sure you're gonna love it. Add as well some spicy salami, green corn, and oregano. Cover again and leave it to cook for another 5 minutes. And our recipe is done. Look how delicious it is. Try this recipe at home and write here what you're thinking. I'm sure you won't regret it. Now I'm gonna reply to your comments and thank you for sharing the video. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.